King Crooks, guys, today we're doing a pull-up exercise. I'm here with the lovely Simone, and she's going to demonstrate how to do a proper pull-up. So guys, the muscles used for the pull-up is your lat area. So we have our lats, which we're definitely gonna use. You're gonna engage your core. It also works your traps and your arms, so your biceps and your triceps. So Sim, if you could just please go up onto the platform. Now I want you guys to notice how her hands are. Now this is a pull-up where her palms are facing away. Now the difference between a pull-up and a chin-up is that a chin-up, her palms will be facing towards her. Now with regard to this pull-up, you want her chest to be up. She's looking up at the sky. Her core is always engaged, okay? So now, Sim, can you just do one pull-up for me, please? Make sure your chest is up. Good, now notice how she's squeezing her lats. So make sure at the top, you're squeezing your lats. If you go all the way down for me, and stay down right there. Now this, again, is called a dead hang, where your shoulders are relaxed and you're just coming down like so, all right? So make sure, can you just look up at the ceiling again? Pull up, please. Big squeeze of your core, and then you're gonna squeeze your lats, okay? So guys, what Sim is about to perform is isometric hold. And this will help you with your pull-ups and your progression to your pull-ups. Okay, so what an isometric hold is all she's gonna do, she's gonna jump up and she's gonna hold at the top, big squeeze of her lats for as long as she can. Ideally for this exercise, I would suggest doing around 10 seconds hold, big squeeze of your core, and your chest is up. Sim, on your way, please. So that is the tension that you're looking for. And big squeeze of your core and relax. Take your time. That was perfect, that was perfect. You're tired. And this, guys, I would suggest do this at least 4 or 5 times in your workout, and that will help with your progression. Now, the other thing that you can do to progress this workout is called a negative pull-up. So what Sim's gonna do is an isometric hold, but she's gonna go slow on the way down. Ideally, we aim for 5 to 7 reps, probably 3 to 4 sets. Okay, so again, you're gonna squeeze your core, you're gonna jump up at the top. Chest up, well done. So now notice, guys, what Sim did, which was perfect. She squeezed her glutes, her feet were together, and that leads me to the last thing, guys, is momentum. So when you're starting to struggle with these pull-ups, you're gonna try and bring your knees up and use your momentum. Try and be stable, try and squeeze your core, take your time, and you'll do your pull-ups right. If you want more training tips for the gym, head over to see the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel.